Electric bicycles are programmed differently. There are some differences. They're not all the same. For example, the throttle and the pedal assist. Some take off very quickly in the 48 volt. And what Talbike's done in the 2024 is they've softened the takeoff. So it smooths out the pedal assist and it makes the throttle less like less fast, I guess you can say. So that's why it is important to test drive, but also that's why we do these videos so we can explain everything so you can order online from us. But the 2024s for the Metalbike have all been softened. Emo, for example, they do take off a little quicker. Some people like that. They want to have something a little more spunky, and some people don't. They want something softer that doesn't kind of scare them. So another thing that's different too is the way that the throttle's set up. So sometimes when your bike is on, so this is a 2023, so sometimes you've got your level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some bikes, when it's on and your assist is at 0, you have throttle. Most bikes have to be at least on level 1 and then you've got throttle. Another difference is your throttle being limited by which level you are on. And I don't personally like that because when I want to throttle and go up a hill, I want full from 0 to 32, full control in my throttle. Some of them, if you're on level 1, you can only throttle to 15 kilometers an hour. Then you got to go up to the next one to go to 20 kilometers, 25. So you've just got more pressing of buttons. All of the 2024 Talbike models have full throttle, and I think that's a huge benefit. So yeah, that's just a couple differences there, and I hope that helps.